Hey everybody, Dave here at Charts of the Day. Today's Wednesday, July 31st, 2025, and today was Amazon's earnings report, quarterly report after the bell. Before we get there, let's start with what happened during the day. This is what I call my banker chart. It kind of gives you different colorations and candles down below and up top. Well, where did I buy? I had decided before the market opened that I was going to buy this stock if it fell anywhere below $232 a share. So I bought here. I bought at $231.90. And of course, my chart was not telling me to buy. There was no signal to buy. But based on my experience, I felt like that was a good price to get in at for earnings day. And so I bought it as it was sweeping down. It did go down a little bit more. It went down around 240, something like that. So, it went down about 50 cents more after I bought it. But nonetheless, I didn't sell, so I didn't lose money. So I got in at 231.90, and then it kind of was wandering along here under VWAP. This is this candle, this blue candle, signifies engulfing candle, which means there's a lot of interest in moving this up. And so you can see it moved up above VWAP, and I sold here at 235. I had an auto sell in for 235 because I had a lot going on today, and I was not sitting in front of the charts like I am right now. It did go up about $1.50 more to 236.50 or so. It's about $1.50 more than after I sold it. So could have made more money if I was sitting glued to the computer, but I wasn't. But still, a good buy. That was a $3.10 a share profit, which was really nice. And so, yeah, from here to here. Then, as I said, it went up here, and then it just kind of wandered down slowly but surely, and it closed it up here 234.11. So it closed below where I had sold it. So overall, I think it was a good buy and sell for me today. I hope you got in on this and made some money in here. And let me put up one more chart for you. I'll put up the swing chart, which is the ABCDE pattern. And I'm going to talk about after the market in just a couple of minutes, but I want to go through this. So when I bought here, yeah, you can see it was saying, hey, I'm still in a downtrend. I bought it anyway. And then it says sell here, buy here. I would not have bought here because this candle's a little twitchy, but if I had not bought here, I probably would have bought up in here right above VWAP and probably rode it all the way up or close to it. This is kind of a late sell, and this is just a wash. So let me go just load up the standard candles. And I'll move myself over here. So after the market closed, first of all, Amazon did beat top and bottom line. So good news. Looking at it, you would never guess that. And these are 10-minute candles. After the market closed, I was watching this, and this candle, this 10-minute candle, right after the market closed, went everywhere from $227 up to almost $242. 227 to 242. But what I can tell you in watching this candle is this thing was moving like this. The price was going up and down, up and down, up and down. And if you have your finger on the sell button, you have to hit the sell button at the right time. It's almost a crapshoot. You're gambling. To me, you're gambling at that point. Yes, you could have, hit sell up here, and my gosh, what a windfall. But I try to get $3, $4 a share, and I'm ecstatic. That makes my money for the day. And to me, this is really gambling here. If you bought way down and you sold it at almost 242, clap, clap, clap. You did wonderful. And then it just dropped from there on. You know, there's got to be a backstory to this. I'll have to read more tonight as to why they beat top and bottom estimates, and then the price of the stock dropped down. But you know, if I wake up tomorrow and it's around 225, I'm probably going to try to get in early because I think it's going to go up some. I really believe that. But in any case, that's that. I would like for you to hit like and subscribe if you don't mind, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You have a great evening.